All right, guys, welcome to this page of the notes. Now, what we're going to do here is I don't like doing, I give you example problems that are already worked out because they make it great example problems for you guys to look at. But I don't like doing example problems with you that have already been worked out because we don't learn anything from them. But I do want to sort of emphasize that step number 4. How do I know where to shade? And this is the perfect place to do it. What I've done is I've given you this inequality, y minus x is greater than negative 2. And that is the one that we have graphed here, and I can see my solution region. And then I've given you y minus 2x is less than or equal to 2, and I've graphed that one here, and I can see my solution region. How did I come up with those solution regions? Well, let's start with this one. Now, what we said is after you get done graphing your line, which we'll do in the example problems together because I want to do that with you, I know that my inequality is strictly greater than, so I have a dotted line. Points on the line don't count. Now I get to step number 3. Step number 3, I need to choose a test point. Well, we like 0, 0 because it's easy to do math with, and my line doesn't go through 0, 0, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to choose the point 0, 0. All right. I have the test point 0, 0. Now, what I need to do with that test point in step number 4 of graphing inequalities is I plug my test point into the inequality I was given and evaluate. So here we go. My x value is going to be 0. My y value is going to be 0. Let's plug all that stuff in. I'm going to have 0 minus 0 is greater than a negative 2. I get 0 is greater than a negative 2. And the question is that a true or false statement? Well, yes, of course 0 is greater than a negative 2. That is a true statement, true. And so what's step number 4? Sorry, I apologize, my marker's not working quite right. Let me get that green back. This is a true statement. Wow. Hold up. Let me go slow so it can keep up with me. Here we go. This is a true. There we go. Working with old technology here, sorry. This is a true statement. What that means is that my test point 0, 0 is a solution. Now what step 4 tells you to do, right? Because my test point is above the line I have graphed, and my test point gives me a true statement, I will shade everybody on the test point side, right? Because it's true, all the points above the line are going to be true, and that's why I have shaded above the line. My test point gave me a true statement. What about this one over here? Well, again, I've graphed my line. It's a solid line because I'm less than or equal to. So let me go ahead and choose my test point, which again, my line does not go through 0, 0, so I will pick 0, 0. So we will use the point 0, 0. And we plug that into the inequality I was given. 0 minus 2 times 0 is less than or equal to 2. Well, 2 times 0 is of course 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. And is 0 less than or equal to a positive 2? Well, once again, yes, that is a true statement. Since my test point gives me a true statement, I will shade everybody on the test point side of the line. If my test point had given me a false statement, because my test point is below the line and it was false, it's not a solution, I would want to shade everybody on the opposite side of the line. But that's not what happened. I wound up with two true statements, and so everybody on the test point side of the line gets shaded. We'll look at a lot more examples on the next page, so head on over there and I'll meet you over there.